Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Aaa app review to see what to use it. So let's quickly dive into it. The Aaa app makes roadside assistance and travel planning much easier by letting you request help, share your location, and track service arrival directly from your phone. It also doubles as a travel tool with route planner, hotels and restaurant booking, gas price finder, and access or to Aaa discount. With a digital membership card built in, it's a convenient companion for Aaa member on the go. On the downside, most of the best features are logged behind the membership plan, leaving non-member with a limited use. The app also suffers from reliability issues with user reporting login error, glitches, and occasional delay in the roadside service update. In conclusion, Aaa app is worth using if you are an active Aaa member who wants a quick access to assistance and benefit, but less useful if you only need occasional travel tools. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. Turn the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more.